Hello guys, today we will make PHP mailer using ChatGTP. As you all know, ChatGTP helping many programmers to get their job done with their projects. So we will now make a PHP mailer that will send mail using SMTP. So let's get started. First of all, sign into ChatGTP website, or if you're new user, do sign up. Now we will write this prompt: build PHP mailer sender using HTML, CSS, PHP, create a page with send from, recipient email, subject, body, and with the same SMTP authentication that uses SMTP to send email, and use Composer for PHP mailer and create in one file. Don't explain. With this prompt it will create the whole code in one attempt. If it's not too long, and also it will not explain the whole code, so you don't need to write more prompts of continue again. Now we will put the whole code in the file. As this is the PHP and HTML code, we need to use XAMPP to execute the PHP code. If you don't have XAMPP, download and install it, and then go to XAMPP docs directory, create a folder, and in that folder create a file name index.php. Paste all code there. Here ChatGTP is using PHP mailer package. We need to install that also. Open terminal, in that directory, type command composer require mailer and enter. It will install the package. Let's check our mailer in localhost. Go to the browser and type localhost URL and your folder name and file name. As you can see, the PHP mailer is ready. Let's put the SMTP and test if it sends email. Go to the code file. In the comment server setting, put your SMTP credentials. Mail has been sent. Our PHP mailer is working fine. Here we go to the mailbox, and yes, we have received email from our sender. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you find this informative, do like, Subscribe and share this video for more tech topics.